Hi guys, today we're doing a video of the Arai Corsair-X. Show you some of the features of it. Alright guys, here's the Arai Corsair-X. This is the Maverick version 2. I had the Maverick version 1, just wanted to buy a different helmet with different colors. I love the Corsair-X's. I've had 2 of them and they're the best helmets you can buy, especially since my accident went face first, and as you can see, not one scratch in the front. I just wanted to show you a quick some of the features of the helmet in case you're thinking about purchasing it or looking at it, and what makes you want to buy the helmet. I mean, it is a very expensive helmet. They range between like $600 to $1,000, especially if you get like the flat colors. If you get something with designs, they range a lot more. Especially if you get the Isle of Man version, that one's over $1,000. They are expensive helmets, but they are worth it, especially if you love your head. This helmet weighs 3.5 pounds. The shape is intermediate oval. And you got to remember that Arai helmets makes all kinds of shapes and sizes for the inside of the helmet. They have intermediate ovals like the Arai Corsair-X, and they have the long oval, then they have the round shape. So you just got to go to shop or measure your head and try them on, and if you order them online, make sure that you can return them and exchange them for something better. Everything is adjustable inside. The cheek pads have layers of foam you can peel off. The top of your head part that goes around your head, that's adjustable too to make it tighter or looser. You have the neck roll. You have the chin guard. And then under the chin guard, you have for the summer, you can take the chin guard out and pull out the tab on the bottom so air goes around you. This helmet has the VAS shield system, which is VAS stands for variable axis system, which has a pivot point. So when you want to pop them out, they're pretty easy to pop in and out. They also have the Arai Pro Shield, which is a really awesome shield, especially if you ride during the day and at night like I do. I usually leave for work real early in the morning, and then in the afternoons, especially in the winter, it's dark, so I can use both shields at the same time. Don't have that shield dropping inside your helmet like some of the other helmets on the market have. The Corsair-X's are more of a sporty helmet, like a sport bike helmet. So everything on it is made to break off in case you have a crash, so it doesn't get caught on anything and jerks your head around. So like these air vents at the top, these things are made that if it grabs, like if something would grab into the hole right here, it would just break off, and including the sides. Like I said, I had a crash with it recently, and it still looks pretty new to me. You see, hit somewhere at the top up there and nothing. It's the mouthpiece. And I'll show you how everything adjusts on here. It's pretty interesting how this helmet is. What else can I say about the helmet? It is a Snell 2020. All the Arais are Snell approved. Yeah, you can buy replacement cheek pads for it, headliner, chin curtains. You can get the side plates. These side plates you can get replaced. This helmet also has the emergency release system. In case you were in an accident and they had to take their helmet off, they could just pull the emergency pads off and it comes right off. They don't have to pull it off your head. The shell itself is made with special resin and special fiberglass and all kinds of material. It is a very strong helmet. There's a video on YouTube somewhere about Josh Day when he crashes in one of the races and he goes face first into the ground after a high side, and you see the helmet. It just, the face shield, the one side breaks, and the one air vent is a little loose, but other than that, the helmet's intact. I mean, these helmets are amazing. They are one of the best helmets on the market. I've had AGV Corsair-X's. I love those too, but Arai's are hands down the best that I've ever used. I'll show you some of the features and move some of the helmet around so you can see. All right, here's the mouthpiece. So it's got 3 stages. It's got closed, half open, all the way open. So this one, all the air goes up towards your face, towards your forehead. And this version, it goes right towards your nose and mouth in case you get really hot or you don't want to open your mouth or the visor during peak bug season. And you got the brow vents, one there, one here, and then you got a latch. So you pull the latch up. It's all in one motion. So people have issues with it. So you can leave it like that so you get a good amount of airflow flowing through it, and especially in humidity. But you have to pull the latch up and the visor at the same time. There's your air vents for the eyebrows. The eyebrow air vents are very awesome because they keep your temples cool. That's usually where your head gets the hottest, especially in the summertime. And you also have the top air vents. So the Arai Corsair-X has the 3. It has the 2 on the sides and then the 1 in the middle. Then there's the Arai Defiant X, I think it is, and the Signet Q. Those only have the 2 on the sides, and then there's another one that only has the 1 in the middle and not the 2 on the sides. And then you have the exhaust ports. So you have like open, halfway, and close, and open, halfway, and close. You also have the spoiler. So, I mean, you can put it up. I usually like putting it up. Or you push it in and then push it down all the way. So it's basically like a flat helmet. I added the Bluetooth Lucina 20S. It's a little older version, but it was cheap, so it's not too bad. I wear a medium. You should get your head measured, or just go in and try them on, because there are so many different versions of the helmet and sizes, shell sizes, that it's better just to try them on if you can. If not, just take your chance and try a medium. Intermediate oval is this shape, which is a good one. Then, like I said, they have a round one and a long straight. The other good thing about it, I'll show you, is that they have the speaker cutouts for them. So you peel this back in case you want to put a Bluetooth communicator in. And there's your speaker system put in. And here's the layers of foam that you can peel off. I don't know if you can see that. Right here. Here's a standard Bluetooth speaker. And it's pretty easy to put back together. Let's make sure everything's hidden back here. Right, this one. Slide the front in. Wait. No, the rear first. You'll hear it click. So you slide the rear in first, and the front, and it clicks in really easy. And then here's the hole for the air vent. So that's where most of your air comes through. This is how I have my speaker set up for vlogging. So I have one microphone stuck in there, and then the other one is for my Bluetooth when I'm talking. And you can see on the back of it says Snell. Alright, I'll show you the headliner. Alright, so this headliner is adjustable all the way. You see these little straps in there? There's two in the back, and there's one in the front. I mean, mine fits me perfect, but if you need to adjust it, it's too loose or too tight, you can adjust it with those straps. Alright, and now I'll show you how to change the visor in case you don't know. Alright, so right here there's a tab. Push that, it just pops off. And there's another one on the other side. Just pop off like that. So then wait. Push it in, and it pops right out. The same thing with this side. Go like that. Open it all the way, push it in, and it pops right out. Now we're taking that visor off, and here's the Pro Shield. Two visors in one. It's clear on the bottom and a dark tint on top, and then the eyebrows change a little bit. The original opens downward, these go up. So these raise up. So I'll show you how to install it so you'll see it. So there's so it's clicked into place. You'll hear it click. So you can always slide this on, pops right in. Now go to the other side. Make sure it's in the pocket. Alright, and open it. You hear it click. Put the plate back on. There you go, you'll hear it click. And close it. Alright, and I'll show you a couple of features of the Pro Shield. Alright, like I said, the two eyebrow vents, they go up instead of down now because it's a Pro Shield, not the original. This, you hear it click all the way, then you pull it. I'll show you this way. So you pull it, and then it goes down. And the Pro Shields, the dark tint part, you can change out. So you have the levers here. And there you have it, guys. There's some of the features of the Arai Corsair-X with the Pro Shield now installed. If there's anything you need to know or any questions, you can always shoot me a message. But it's a pretty sharp helmet.